see you, but I wouldn't want to be. And you going out tonight, fucking day. I see you, but I wouldn't want to be.
It's the best way to get rid of them, man. Oh shit. Oh, wow. This guy's trying to go to jail, bro. What's up, folks? We got a dude who has had the cops called him already once today. He's like, oh shit, he's pulling his pants down in the middle of the road, throwing rocks, blocking traffic. Cops already came out and were like, whatever, you know, we don't want to deal with them, and took off. So now more people are calling. I've been watching this guy for like a half hour, just kind of wander around in front of the courthouse, pulling his pants down, scaring people. Like, wow. This dude's crazy. This is blocking traffic. I don't want to like approach him too much. What happened, man?
I died last night too.
Yeah?
Ain't nothing gonna happen. Thank you.
I think somebody called the cops on you.
Stop.
I think somebody called the cops on you.
Here. This is slow kind of.
Right.
Slow. So when you be a lot and go out there and y'all see, I mean, look at that whale. Y'all come up. And then I go, you know why that whale? Well, you mother ain't never been an apple.
Whoa. Dang, you alright, bro? Dang, that was like stuntman. He's done that a couple of times and popped back up. Here they're coming over from this way. They're coming up over this way. 3 units, it looks like. Oh, look at this guy. Dang, yoga? Doing the yoga? Oh, shit. Let's see if the cops do anything this time. Here they come from behind me. 3 units. There's another unit. I'm not gonna report this guy. I didn't report this guy. If they ask me if he did anything, I'm not gonna say anything, but I've seen him do some shit. I've definitely seen him do some shit, like indecent exposure, he's pulling his pants down, stood in the middle of the street and threw rocks. And yeah, they're just gonna continue on. Hey, Chuck Mangione, appreciate you, man. It's because I'm here too, that's why. At the oranges. Right now I'm like protecting this dude. I'm protecting this dude because I have a camera. Legit. The last thing they want to do is have some kind of encounter on camera. He's just throwing shit. He's just throwing shit. Dang. That's like donations. Is that donations? More people are gonna keep calling the cops on this dude. Hey, I think those are donations, man. Don't. Oh, all right. All right, throwing shit.
Mr. Norris, how's Jack doing? Hey, do it. You have to speak. You have one beat. Oh! Who's going? No, I don't do. No, smoking zone. I know why he's smoking. Hey. Don't do it. So this zone is no smoking zone.
Hey. Leave her alone.
Why are you filming him? Why don't you call the police?
The police have been called twice already. They drove by.
He was hidden.
Yeah, they just drove by. They saw him and drove by. They don't care. The cops do not care. They've been called multiple times.
He needs help. He's mentally sick.
I can see that. It's the only thing I can do right now is document it. I have to document it.
What are you gonna get out of documenting?
Document it. We need this.
About people taking pictures of ill people. You have to do something effective. You have to give me your radio. I will call the police.
The police already know. They're aware. They're not doing anything.
They're not.
Mama, no problem.
Hey,
no what?
Leave her alone, man. Leave her alone. Hey, just chill out, man. You need to chill out. It's because 2 reasons. A, the cops don't want to deal with them, and B, they don't want to be on camera. Their fear of cameras and not wanting to deal with this guy. The 2 reasons they're not doing anything.
Here, watch that.
Look, he's grabbing the sign now. He's grabbing the sign now. I think he wants to go to jail, and the cops are like, nah, we don't want to take him to jail. He's on someone's property right now. A law group. Cops are like, nope, no thanks. There's a camera there. We don't want to do anything.
It's pretty sad when you got nobody to help our community.
Yeah, I agree, man. The cops have been called a couple times. Yeah,
with
the trailer, the RV. Yep. Yeah.
I was watching it and I was like, man.
Oh, the live stream?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Recording feedback, picture.
Here come the police. They're gonna do something. Now they're getting out of the car.
Mr. Rosas, how are you today?
Fine.
Good. Hey, someone called saying that you were getting assaulted with water or something like that. Were you being assaulted at any point, Mr. Rosas?
You know what? I don't want to talk to you, dude. What you saw, you drove right by. You drove right by and saw everything.
Water at you.
My main problem with this whole situation is that not one officer thought, hey, maybe I should keep an eye on the situation. Instead, they stayed for less than a minute and just took off.
I didn't see anyone throwing water at you.
Hey, Atherton, just go back to your car, dude.
If you want me to leave, I'll leave, Gabriel. But what I'm saying is, if there's something that happened that you would like to report, I'm happy to hear you. If you don't want anything done, then I'll be happy to leave.
If you feel the situation doesn't need any attention, I don't know what to tell you.
Well, I'm over here asking you a question.
I'm not a victim.
Okay, so if you're not a victim, was the person over here the one harassing you?
I'm not gonna answer any questions, man.
You're not gonna answer any questions?
No.
Okay. All right. Have a wonderful day, Mr. Rosa.
You're still a scumbag, Atherton. Same with you, Barons. There you go.
Should be brought back and clean it up.
I'll have someone come clean it up.
See, when you do it, he hasn't told. He's over there and he's dead. And none of you got out of the car.
That's right. Yep. They drove right by.
Yeah, that's right.
Grass. He wasn't doing any time on the grass.
Exactly.
Didn't think to even get out and check the situation though, or what? Didn't you want to get out and check?
We saw him on the grass, not doing anything at the time, so we talked to him.
Ever since you guys were with him over there, I've been watching him because he's obviously got something wrong with him.
He's been offered a lot of services and help, and he's refused, and can only do so much, but we try.
Well,
know
you
her?
have to see him doing something.
No, we can talk to people. We were told that he threw water on someone else. We try and offer
But
him
you
services.
see,
People are calling the...
The guy you're filming is right here without no pants on.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Yeah, we're trying to keep an eye on him.
You better put your pants on right now, man. Sit down.
Oh,
Sit
damn.
down and put them on. I'm not playing with you, bro. Put your pants on now.
Nah, he ain't putting them on.
So you ain't gonna put your pants on, huh?
He's in the middle of the road naked, bro. Wow. He's going in the parking garage now. Oh, damn. He's going in the parking garage now.
Hey, you guys got a naked guy, so be careful. What you doing? Hey, get up here!
He's breaking shit now. Hey, the cops have seen this guy. The cops have been called 3 times. They just drive by. They don't care.
Hey, get out the way, man. I'm sorry.
So this is the 4th time. Cops are coming out for the 4th time.
Hey.
All right, here comes the cops.
Go, hey, move. Hey, I know, dude. I'm Dennis Cathy. That broke. Hold on. I know that in the car.
Get in the car.
Put it in my hand. In my hand. I gotta do my head.
Put your feet in the car.
I'll do my head. I'm head.
We're gonna lock the
YouTube did not stop the stream. I stopped the stream.
I'm head. Alright. Up here.
Wow.
What's up, kid?
I'm disappointed, guys. You guys did all right, but this is the 4th time he's been called on that dude, man. All right, Sizemore. Show your true colors, Sizemore.